The contentious Constitutional Amendment Bill number 3 unanimously passed to the committee stage in the National Assembly earlier in the afternoon, after the opposition neglected or failed to call for a critical division of the House for MPs opposed to the legislative changes to vote against it. Sanabana Mash Complaint Consciency CAB3 unanimously passes to committee stage and was subscribed by like on the bill icon. Tipina Namobra Comchinsi. About 30 MPs were opposed to the bill in its entirety after a record-breaking fierce debate. The failure by the opposition to call for division of the House led the bill, which has far-reaching political implications, passed to the committee stage unanimously without formal opposition. In terms of process, the presiding officer first judges the will of the House using a voice vote, ayes versus nays. If an MP challenges the presiding officer's ruling, they then can call for a division of the House. Bells are rung to summon all lawmakers to the chamber. The doors are locked, and the MPs must physically move to the opposite side of the House or have their names recorded to provide an exact verified tally of votes. A minimum simple majority was required to pass the bill to the committee stage. The committee stage of the bill is the third step in the legislative process. It is a detailed clause by clause examination of the proposals that takes place after the second reading and the general debate. During the committee stage, the House resolves into a committee of the whole House rather than meeting as the standard legislative body, allowing for more conversational and repeated speaking opportunities. Members meticulously scrutinize each section or clause of the bill. The committee goes through the bill clause by clause, sequentially voting on each clause or a block of clauses. Toma developments are kuda panguva ino tiona the bill panguva ino passing to the committee stage. Pana comment section medu dzafungura enyi muri kudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Pana comment section medu, so subscribe or like, chete on the bell icon.